Greetings from Magnetron. All of you might have observed an error code when installing on VRVs, VRFs and some inverters, in which case the method of installation and wiring changes to resistance method. Here you need a 2 amp 2-way terminal and a resistor. The resistor that you insert for this would be roughly 40 to 45% of the value of your room temperature sensor. Insert the black pair into the 2 points of one end of the terminal, and in the same ends insert one arm each of the resistor. So the black pair and the resistor are on the same end of the terminal at the two connection points. Then you need to remove your room temperature sensor from the PCB of the air conditioner. Take any one of the two wires of the sensor and cut it into two parts. You have two ends in your hand of the room temperature sensor's one wire, which should be inserted into the other end of the terminal. As can be seen over here. This simple method of wiring is now complete. Insert the room temperature sensor terminal back into the PCB. Return the room temperature sensor to its original position. Your resistor wiring is now complete. Please start your air conditioner successfully. Thank you.